Right. Good evening, guys. This is a forecast for GBPCHF. I'll be looking at what targets to look out for in the coming week. If we look on the pair, it has been on a downtrend for quite some time now, since end of March. The pair has been on a downtrend, a very strong downtrend. But coming to the beginning of September, what we have seen is price has started to range a bit. It's just up and down, like in a small range, because of these areas here, these interesting areas. If you look to your left, you're gonna see that price at the moment is at a very interesting area. I'm calling it interesting because price can go either way. Market can go either way from where it is right now. But if we are to look at what price is telling us, okay, let me just zoom in a bit. Price is telling us, if you look here, we've got this trend line here, and then we can have another one here. Right, we can see that price has been in this range here for a while now. It has been going up and down, up and down. Right now it's like in the mid of that range. So what I'm expecting price to do is to follow this channel here. We've got another channel here, right? Actually, we can extend this guy here up to here. So price has been facing resistance in these areas here. It has been facing a bit of a resistance in this area. So what I'm expecting price is to test this level here. You see, I expect price to test that level. Once it does that, it might come back down again to test the 124 area, specifically the 124 area. That's the one I'm expecting price to test if it doesn't break above the 125,500 level. If price doesn't break above 125,500, I expect price to bounce back to 124 price level, right? But in the event that price does break above 125, I expect it to go all the way to test the previous high of the channel. Your target will be the previous high of the channel, meaning that you'll be looking at these levels here. We've got 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. Now this now depends with you as a trader, which level you have to break it down now to a lower time frame to see which price level you can target, right? So if it breaks above the 125 area, I expect price to move up above 126 all the way to the 127 area. That's what I would expect the price to do. Why the 127 area? Because if you look here, we've got an order block here which was tested here but didn't break, and then it went up. And then if you also look here, you see price didn't break that level. When it retested it prior to it being broken here, price went back to it, but it couldn't break that level. So I expect 127 to be retested again if price breaks above 125, right? But in the event that price breaks below, breaks below here, I expect price to move all the way down to the 123 area. See, if price does break this channel here, if it breaks below the 124 area, I expect price to move all the way to the 123 area. Why the 123? Because that's a very strong support area. It's a strong support area. So this is what I'm looking at in the coming week on the GBPCHF. Mainly I'll be looking for bullish price movements. I'm expecting the price to go higher from where it is right now. If it does trade below where it is currently right now, I expect price to test the 124 area. But in that circumstance, we'll be looking for bullish patterns to continue all the way up back to the 125 area. And if it breaks above the 125 area, we look at we'll be looking at price to continue all the way to the 127 area. That's all for this week, guys. This is the pair that I'll be looking at in the coming week. We'll be looking at bullish price movements. So good luck, and I hope you get those pips.